Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to source for all things cryptocurrency. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the PiCoin launch and why predicting its launch date has become increasingly difficult. We'll also explore some top cryptocurrencies worth investing in for 2024. But before we get started, if you're new here or haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts on the Pi network or which crypto you're keeping an eye on. Now let's jump right into it. Hopes for a PiCoin launch in 2024 are fading fast. Multiple factors have caused uncertainty: the ongoing KYC, know your customer verification process, the declining cryptocurrency market, and a lack of robust ecosystem development for the Pi network. Currently, Pi's IU token, which is not officially affiliated with the project, has dropped by over 75% from its highest point earlier this year. This token trades with low volumes on just a handful of exchanges, hovering near its lowest levels since July. The reason behind this downward trend is largely due to mounting concerns from analysts and early adopters, or pioneers as they're called, about whether the promised mainnet launch will take place by the end of the year. The developers have made bold promises in 2023, but with the year drawing to a close, meeting these promises seems more uncertain than ever. The developers of Pi Network have outlined 3 critical conditions that need to be met before Pi can transition from an enclosed mainnet to an open network. The first and simplest requirement is the KYC process, ensuring that the majority of pioneers are verified to prevent spam and fake accounts. So far, over 13 million users have been verified, many of whom have already migrated to the mainnet. However, the verification process has been slow and problematic for many users. In an effort to accelerate the KYC process, the developers introduced a grace period back in July. This gives users a limited window to submit their KYC documents: 3 months for initial submission and 6 months for completion. However, those who fail to do so in time risk losing their accumulated Pi coins forever. This has created pressure on pioneers, but also uncertainty about how many will actually complete the process in time. Perhaps the most daunting challenge is building a thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications dApps. The mainnet will only be launched when the ecosystem reaches a minimum of 100 dApps. While the Pi Browser, Fireside Forum, and PiEd Network are some notable projects, there is doubt about whether these will be enough to meet the target. Another major hurdle is the broader market conditions. With the crypto market in a bearish phase, the launch of PiCoin could be delayed further to capitalize on a more favorable bull market. This waiting game means investors and pioneers are stuck in uncertainty, hoping the launch aligns with better market conditions. Without a clear market recovery, the chances of PiCoin gaining momentum post-launch are slim. A fundamental concern is the value of PiCoins. Currently, these coins are essentially worthless, as they can't be exchanged for fiat currencies. This mirrors the trajectory of many previous projects that launched with similar ambitions but ultimately disappointed investors. So, until there is clarity on the mainnet launch and more tangible use cases within its ecosystem, it's likely that PiCoin will continue to struggle with investor confidence. The uncertain value of Pi and the slow progress toward the mainnet launch is why the Pi IU token has dropped by over 75%. Without a clear launch date, the token is losing credibility, leaving pioneers in a state of limbo. The real question is, will PiCoin's ecosystem and market conditions align in time to save its value? With every delay, the Pi network risks losing investor confidence. Developers need to act swiftly to introduce significant dApps or market-positive news to turn things around. So, if PiCoin is looking uncertain, where else should you be putting your crypto investment in 2024? Let's take a quick look at some of the top picks that could help grow your portfolio despite market volatility. As always, Bitcoin remains the dominant player. Often referred to as digital gold, it has long been the go-to for long-term investors. Its scarcity and high liquidity make it an attractive option, especially as global economic uncertainties grow. With countries like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender and the introduction of Bitcoin ETFs in 2024, its institutional appeal has grown even stronger. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin has shown a 109% year-to-date return and is currently trading around $54,236. Bitcoin's stability as a store of value makes it a top choice, especially for those who are new to crypto investing. It is also one of the most recognized and accepted cryptocurrencies globally, further boosting its value proposition. Next up is Ethereum, which continues to be a top contender, particularly in the world of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. With over 4,000 dApps and significant contributions to the DeFi space, Ethereum's potential for long-term growth is strong. Its transition to proof of stake has reduced energy consumption and increased scalability, making it a solid investment for 2024. Ethereum's current price is around $2,351.40, and with ongoing network upgrades, it remains a strong bet. Ethereum also stands out for its innovative use of smart contracts, which are used in everything from gaming to real estate. This versatility is what makes Ethereum such a powerful platform, and as more businesses start leveraging blockchain technology, Ethereum will only continue to grow. Often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin continues to offer faster transactions and lower fees, making it ideal for smaller transactions. Litecoin's Mimblewimble upgrade also brings enhanced privacy, making it a good choice for investors looking for security and low-cost transactions. Litecoin's ability to function as a day-to-day currency is what sets it apart from other major cryptocurrencies. Its development has been steady, and its commitment to improving privacy through updates like Mimblewimble ensures it stays relevant in an evolving market. Chainlink is a crucial part of the DeFi ecosystem, acting as a decentralized oracle network that links smart contracts with real-world data. Its increasing adoption in 2024 makes it an excellent investment, especially as more projects in the DeFi space depend on Chainlink's data services. With over 1,000 data providers, Chainlink's network is steadily growing, and its expanding use cases make it a strong investment opportunity. Chainlink's unique position in the crypto world, serving as the bridge between blockchain technology and external data, gives it enormous long-term potential. As blockchain applications increase, Chainlink's demand will rise, making it a solid choice for the long haul. Finally, we have Toncoin, the native cryptocurrency of the open network Ton. Initially developed by Telegram, Ton has gained traction thanks to its focus on scalability and low fees. With a growing user base and expanding ecosystem, including a partnership with Peth Network, Toncoin is one to watch in 2024. Ton's integration with Telegram has driven much of its user growth and adoption, giving it a strong foundation in the rapidly expanding messaging and social media space. As Toncoin continues to develop partnerships and grow its ecosystem, it could become a major player in the crypto world. The PiCoin launch date remains elusive due to the ongoing challenges of KYC verification, ecosystem development, and poor market conditions. While the project has great potential, its future depends on whether it can overcome these hurdles. In the meantime, there are plenty of other strong investment options in the crypto market, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer players like Toncoin. What do you think? Will PiCoin see a successful launch in 2024, or will it fade into obscurity like many others? Let me know in the comments below. That wraps up today's episode. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zaki Crypto Update. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your take on the Pi network? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial advice, and you should do your own research before making any investment decisions.